Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, this is Solomon from hedging.com. I'm trying to set up this camera properly. Yes, so like I said, if you want three-month free signals on the channel, message me a trial on Telegram, and link in description below. The Telegram link is in the description below. Also, if you don't have time to take signals, you don't have time to take trades, you're busy at work, you're busy in school, message me copy and you can connect directly to my account. And I'm using hedging as an exit strategy, so that means it's risk-free, but you need to have at least 350 to 500 on your account to be able to connect straight to my account. Because when I use hedging, when I use all these methods that allow me to compound quickly, you need to have a minimum in your account to be able to connect to my account and copy my trade. So if the market goes against me, you will be able to hold your account and trade risk-free, and whatever profits we make that month, we keep. And you take 80%, I take 20%. Same thing for the signals. You need at least to be able to fund your own account with $50. Message me trial. We're trying to get the Telegram group to about 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year. So join and share the group also. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on once you have that subscribe button clicked. And if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. And we'll see what the market has for us today, and we'll see how much profit we can make. Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead as we're still growing this account, and you continue to show your support. We'll see how many months we continue to grow it for, and we'll see how much profits we will be able to make from the markets. Like I said, we're still rolling around the profits from the market, profit from the market, profit from the market. And we'll see what the market has for us this week or today. We'll see if we're taking a scalp trade, swing trade. You never know, but we are always staying prepared. We're not trying to beat the markets like the thumb dog. We're trying to see what the market has to offer us and how we can go through the markets like a maze every day. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to buy the course where I do everything live with you, teach you live, and you get the course, the software that I use to do all the analysis. What does the software do? It tells me the market direction, when to buy, when to sell for scalping. It tells me when to exit and where to hedge also, and many more. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram, link in description below, and we'll see what the video has for us today. Hope you guys have a nice trading day ahead.
Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I had to just quickly take this sell trade because there was a system B sell. Actually, there is a system B buy also. However, we're taking the sell. Let me just set my take profit very quickly. There you go. Let me set it a bit. So the market has gone way. There was a lot of news today, so the market has been very volatile, as you can see. So I'm expecting the market to drop down aggressively, so that's why I'm more in favor of the system B trade. Let me just move this top a bit. There you go. Perfect. All right, so this trade should give us about maybe over $100 scalping. So this is like my system B scalp trade, and I have two scalping systems. One is the system A, which I go for small profits, and one is the system B. As you can see, the system B gives me big profits. You see that $1,000 profit. The first trade we had on this $10,000 account was a hedge. As you can see, hedging is my key. These are some system A trades. Hedging is my key powerful system. Is basically my secret weapon that allows me to grow my account quick and fast. That's a system B trade right there. A system B trade is a scalping system I use. However, it gives me larger profits than the system A trade. The system A trade is just for quick small. Some of you may think it's small, but those kind of trades build the account. $20 here, $50 here, $30 there, $70 there, $60 here. If you get it consistently, it becomes big. System B trade takes a little sometimes it takes some time, sometimes it can be very fast. This system B trade, we'll see how long it plays. We're not really going for a lot of pips, but it's still a system B trade nonetheless. It's for bigger pips at the end of the day, more profits quickly than small trades. System A trades. Anyways, if you want to get 3-month signals, message me trial on Telegram. Telegram link in description below. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to put in your own account, and then If you want to test my software, you see the software that is telling me where this system B trade is, where this system B trade is, where that buy is, where that sell is, the market direction, where to exit my trades. The software does everything for you in real time, tells you when to buy, when to sell. If you watch my other scalping videos, you see the software alerting you, telling me there's a buy for me, there's a sell. It alerts you and it shows you where to buy, where to set your take profit, where to exit. If you want to test that, message me a test on Telegram, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your own account so that you can test the software. I'm looking for serious people, not just people that are going to play around and waste time. People that are serious about trading and making money. And make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year at least. And I know we're going to get there, but join the people that are already in there and help us get there. We're getting closer and closer to take profit. I teach all this live with my students. I teach them System A trade, System B trade, scalping. You get the software with the course. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You'll get this software also for free, or you can get it on the website. Closer and closer to profits. Getting closer and closer. So I share my screen on Zoom and take trades like this with you. Scalp trades, swing trades, hedging trades, and you also get the software. And we take live trades, and you can also do this in person also. So if you meet me in person, I also take live trades in front of you while you learn. You can always ask questions at any time. I will even upload one of the sessions that I had with students. Just 1 minute. We're about to hit take profit. I'm not trying to miss this. Some people would say, oh, at this point they will take profit. If you want to take profit at this point, it's no problem. You can take it if it's close to take profit like this. However, I know based on experience, because once you do this over and over and over and over again, you see this happen multiple times. I know it's going to hit take profit, and depending on things that only students would know, I'm not going to say it on this video. However, the market is surely going to come down and it's going to hit that take profit. Just wait. It has to confuse dumb money traders first. If I say it must go down, it must go down. Just give it. It's gonna go down. If not, I'll just pause and we'll come back once it's close to hitting take profit. Let's give it like 30 more seconds and we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Take profits. Take profits. Take profits. Come on. Yes, let's go. There you go. Take profit. So that's how System B trade is. It happened in like less than 5 minutes. We're able to hit that System B trade. So we made about $450 profit, and that's how scalping works. As you can see, we started this 10,000 account. We've grown it. We've made over $10,000 so far. If you want to watch the beginning of this video, just go to the main page and type in $10,000 challenge. We started with $10,000. We've made over 30% profit so far. You can watch most of the trades that you see. All these trades you see in the trade history, you watch most of them. And yeah, like I said, join the free Telegram group, link in description below. We'll be right back once we have another video in the market. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click all those notification bells on, and when you click those notification bells on, click all notifications, okay, so that you don't miss out on shorts. Every Monday or Tuesday during New York session, I tend to do free signals session. That means I do signals, I do analysis. You don't want to miss that. If you have any pairs that are in a trade on and you have problems with it, or you just want signal analysis on a specific pair of gold, Bitcoin, crypto, come during that live stream session. Make sure you have your notification bells on so you don't miss it, and you can also watch it later. And yeah, you can ask questions during the live stream about any other thing. Remember, if you want 3 months free signals, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below, and have all those notification bells on. If you have any other questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment, and we'll be right back once we have another trade in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys soon.